Are these new?
One is new.
This one? They are both new.
They're new? And they're original?
Yeah, this one is open just because it came in the car.
Uh-huh.
But I had one of those weather effects.
Ah, okay.
At the car, so.
And they're like original, right? Not
Yes.
the... Okay.
Yeah, this one is brand new. This is the one that is it came in the car.
Uh-huh.
And I replaced it like the same day with the weather tech that I have for it. Because I just traded in the car for the same model. Just
Okay. Can you do 15 for both? $5 off?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Fine.
Do you have any electronics by any chance?
No.
No electronics, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Alright, maganda to. What year is this, sorry?
For the 6 is a 2014.
2014? And then this one?
For that one is a 2018, which is that black one.
2018. Okay, thank you. So this one is a 2014, 2018. Let's go. How much for the watch?
$5.
$5, okay.
The price on the ring?
It's going to be 10. This one? 20.
This is old, right?
Very, very, very freaking old.
It just needs a new battery?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take that for 5. Good morning.
Good morning.
What brand is this?
Patricia Nash.
Oh, Patricia. Okay.
Italian leather.
It is?
The price tag is still there.
Okay.
The Patricia Nash is a good one. Because, I bought it at Macy's.
Are these expensive?
Let's see, when I bought it, it was on sale. I think I paid $160.
Uh-huh.
But the full retail is, I never used it for the past 5 years.
Oh, so this is an old,
Old style.
Old style.
But you know, good branding.
yeah. How much are you asking for that?
It was 20. So I don't know. Is that for your wife? But your wife might not like it though. Your mother.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, your mother. It's Italian leather.
Is it?
Only Macy's sells that. I mean other, but I got it at Macy's. 200
Does it
but
put
I
it-
got it for 160.
Would you take 15?
20.
20? Okay.
The lady who came here,
Uh-huh.
she really liked it.
All right.
Okay, well, we'll make sure there's no cash there.
There might be 100 there.
Oh, I know, and then I lose, right? Then I lose. Is this for your mom?
No, I buy and sell.
Oh,
That's what I do, so,
my
yeah.
gosh, you buy and sell, and then you can sell this one expensively.
I don't know if because I'm not too familiar with the
It
the
is
brand.
Italian leather.
Is it?
Go to Macy's, okay? Go
Uh-huh.
to Macy's.
Or I could research it.
Yeah, I got this one at Macy's. Either anyway, it's.
How old is this?
I probably had it for at least. But the thing is, I never use it after like 1 year of using it. I never
okay.
use it. More than 10 years.
More than 10 years for sure. All right.
More than 10 years.
Thank
So
you.
antique, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
But I can assure you, it's Italian leather.
Is it? Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
Go to Macy's, okay? They're
Uh-huh.
more expensive.
I'll research it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You got a good one. You made a lot of money.
Good. How are you? Good. It's for kids. Bose. It still works?
It does work. How does that thing work?
It's an old iPhone with it.
Yeah.
It'll work on an aux cord.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a plug on the back for like a 3.5mm jack for an aux cord.
Mm-hmm. You take 10?
I'll take it.
All right.
It's yours.
I know like you need the older iPhone for that.
Thank you. Oh, thanks.
Daming tao. Military stuff. Vintage stuff. Vintage dito hopefully. Vintage. Vintage. Ang dami. May mahanap tayo dito na maganda. Star Wars. Wala. Hanap lang. Ukay-ukay. Ito more. Dalawang jacket to. Okay pa more. Thanks. Okay pa more. Kin yun. Made in USA. Okay na to. System down. Ano ito? Zuyo. Okay na din to. Zuyo. Panis. Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren. Hindi na din to. Ay, may Jordan. Ito, Jordan. Bilhin natin yan. Ito, Ralph Lauren. Ayan, bilhin natin ito.
Hi, how are you?
Bakit ito? Ang ganda to. ABC. Tingnan ko yan. ABC.
I'm reasonable.
That's what I keep telling myself. I'm like, if the next one will not give to the first. No. Probably not. You know? Like that. No. Somebody's already, yeah, somebody already did, that's already done. Yeah, somebody already did.
Ito maganda.
Sorry.
Samsung. This one is
This stuff right here. So you got something in your
No, I need it for these panther things, so I gotta wrap it.
Yeah, that's pretty.
I gotta wrap it. I just need to be. Okay.
Games. Gamitin na to. Gamit.
Look at this. This is it. Awesome. Thank you.
File there.
You're gonna be here a while.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Comics.
Okay. That was the one thing I came for, and I for my son. Just that you know.
Somebody told you. Okay. And I can start after that.
The rings.
Are you going to this?
Ah, no. Ang cool nito.
Sorry. I'd love to answer those. Those are all his questions. So.
You're really slowing down.
What's how much is the card for?
Really?
We had to go to Japan.
Okay. Hey, your money is real too.
So if you ever see one, you know, I found an auction in 2008. Heritage auction. Anyway, yeah.
Sabi ang dami. Power Ranger. Anong year? Ito itong Power Ranger. Ang cool kasi.
I need chocolate.
Which one's your box?
The one with the books in it and the jar. Okay, we need another box.
I'm sorry. Don't take them out of the black bins, please. If you buy all the stuff in the black bins, you're welcome to or don't.
Aladdin pen. Ayan. This is so cool. Rabbit lang, rabbit.
How much are they singly, do you know?
Yeah, buck a piece. Unless you make a stack. Yeah, oh, just these? No, I don't think so. We're spread out somewhere.
Ang dami dito pala. Ito pero maganda to. Tingnan natin kung wala bang punit, wala lahat. Wala naman. I think maganda naman. Yeah, wala naman talagang punit. Fox. Okay. Grabe yung init. Yan, kunin natin yung dalawa. Alright, let's go. Yeah.
Are you?
Some of them though, not all of them. Yeah. I think these right here. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna ask them if
What's the putter? What kind of putter is it? Belly putter. Never heard of it.
I know, never heard of it either.
To the right.
Tingnan ko kung magkano ito. Eh, kunin natin to. Kasi itong bag na to pre, mamahalin to pre, vintage yan. Ano to? Ano sa kotse to? Okay, tingnan natin magkano lang rin namin. Baka maganda to. Basta remote. Ito, tingnan natin magkano lahat damage. Maganda ito, itong Archie na vintage. Ang dami niya. Alright. Hello, sir.
You ready?
I think I'm ready.
Oh, dude.
What's
there
my
we go.
damage? Yep.
Alright, alright. Okay. So let's see here. Alright, so let's see. So 5.
Okay.
All these games and these, I'm gonna say now we're at 20.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say 22, 25, $3.
Okay.
This is pretty nice. Let's say there's 15 in here.
So we're
So
at
that's
40.
40.
And then all those clothes right there.
$45.
45. I can't complain.
I didn't think you
I
would.
can't beat that.
I didn't think you would, my man.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate
Of
you.
course. You see there's a couple more figures in there.
Figure. Let me take a look.
Keep looking.
Yeah.
In this, you wanted these, right? Or no, did you pass?
I think I'm gonna
Yeah?
pass on those.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you. Meron din, meron pa pala dito. 45 lang lahat. Di ba? Saan pa pa? Ito. Ay, ito kunin natin ito. Ito parang ayaw ko na to. Anong year to? 1999. This is old. Tingnan ko magkano to. Mahal na ito. Kunin natin ito. Let's go. I got 3 more, sir. Sir, I got 3 more.
Okay, $5?
$5, sure. Let me see if I have 5. I do. 1, 2.
There it is.
There you go. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, they talked about it, but yeah, we didn't do it.
How much are you asking for the bag or for the purse?
He's asking 200 for the brown one and 100 for the black one.
For the black one?
Both of them have a wallet.
Okay.
Feel free to make an offer though. She's not here. So I might get beat up.
That's what I was gonna say.
If you come back and I got a black eye, you know what happens.
So these are like the real ones.
Yeah, they're real. Yeah, there's a vintage one you can't buy anymore. She's had it for a long time.
Oh yeah?
Good morning.
You said the black one is 100?
Yes, sir.
Dito wallets. Will you do 80?
What's that?
80. Yeah. I don't want you to get beat up.
Black eye, you know what happened.
That's funny. 80. There you go, sir. Thank
All right,
you.
thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Alright, bahay na tayo. Recap natin itong mga nabili natin. Ito, $20 yung bili natin dito. I think mabibenta ko to mga $40 to $60. So, Not bad. Mga $40 to $60 yan. Ito mga t-shirt. Fender to na t-shirt to. Rock and roll. I think hindi naman to vintage. Pero benta natin to pang ukay. So ilagay ko to sa box. Yung Fender, and then ito din. Hindi naman to Monsters of Filmland. Hindi din to vintage, pero isabay ko na din to sa anong tawag mo ito, sa box. Alright, so mayroon pa tayo ito Michael Kors. Ang ganda ng Michael Kors. So kasama to sa $80 na nabili natin. I think pwede ko dito isama na lang sa box. Ito ang gagawin ko dito, ipapa-legit check ko to. I'm quite sure na legit to. So again, $80 to. Yan, mayroon na lang ano sa loob, oh. Pero nasa sa loob lang yan. Dito okay naman sa side na to. Pero ipapa-legit check ko to. So hopefully legit tong Gucci na to. Again, ito lang yung binili ko, yung brown hindi ko na binili kasi ang dami kasing issue na eh. And then $200 ang hingi niya. Ito $80 lang. So hopefully we'll see. Alright, and then sa susunod, and then ito $5 Victorinox, vintage to eh, Spirit of 1976. So ang gagawin ko nito, dadalhin ko to bukas sa flea market. Papalagyan ko ng battery. So hopefully gagana pa. And then I don't know kung magkano kaya ang mga comps nito. Wala akong makita eh. Kahit mabenta ko to mga $20-25, ayos na. Pero papalagyan ko muna ng battery. Mayroon pa pala itong Bose na to na speaker, sound duct. Bili ko $10. $15 yung presyo, pero tinawaran ko ng $10. So hindi na masama. I think mabebenta ko to mga between $30 to $40 sa eBay. So hindi na masama. Iti-test ko to kung gagana. Pero sabi naman ng babae or yung asawa niya na gumagana daw. So that's not bad. Alright, let's go. Tingnan natin yung itong punong, again, itong hole na to is $50. Ay, mayroon pa pala yung ano tawag ito. Teka, baba muna natin to. Teka, mayroon pa pala itong dalawang anong tawag nito, floor mat, original floor mat sa sasakyan. So $15 tong dalawa. Pag mga ganito, pag original, binibili ko talaga. Pero pag hindi original, hindi ko kukunin. Ang bilis nabibenta nito. Marami na akong nabenta ng mga ganito, mga floor mat na original. So ayos na ayos yan. Alright, $40 lahat. Itong golf bag na to, itong DJ Hero na to na turntable, itong nasa box na to na mga damit, and then ito yung pinakakulo, Archie. So ibibenta ko to lahat, mga vintage ng Archie na comics, di ba? Ang sikat-sikat nito noon. So ibibenta ko to as a lot. Ang ganda niyan. And then ito, lahat ng nandito. So score to $40. Ito palang bag na to. Mabibenta ko na to over $100. So may screenshot dyan. Score to. And then ito, piling-pili ko to. Madami pa actually golf clubs doon, pero piling-pili ko tong tatlong to kasi ito lang yung mga branded. So ayos na ayos yan. And then ito, I think vintage ito, 1999. Ito is a 1999. So mga vintage tong dalawang to. Alright. And then I think ito din vintage. Ito, anong year to? 1998. I don't know kung sino to. Binili ko na lang kasi vintage. Ang dami pa dito. Itong mga video games na to, binili ko to. I don't know kung magkano tong mga isa-isa ito. Hindi ko na lang isa-isa kasi ang dami. Siguro ang ipopost, may screenshot diyan sa mga medyo mamahalin na pwede kong mabenta. Ang iba kasi dito, or mostly dito, ibinabundle ko sa mga mga consoles ko. So para mas mabilis mabenta kung may mga libreng mga games. Pero isa-isahin ko pa to kung ano yung mga mamahalin na pwede kong ibenta individually. Pero ang dami nito. Nakalain nyo to. Oh. Yan. So yan lahat. And then ito, I don't know itong mga itong mga VHS tapes. Power Ranger oh. Anong year kaya to? 1993. Ito, anong year to? Walang date to. Pero I know 90s din to. Then ito X-Men VHS din. Yan. So binili kong mga yan. Ito video games din. Video games. May isa pang Power Ranger oh. So vintage ng mga Power Ranger. Ang gandang galing ito. To Samsung. I-search nga natin Samsung. Magkano kayo ito? Samsung SWA 6000. SWA 6000. Yan. Ito $25 to. So this is not bad. Kahit ito lang siya. Oh, $25. May $29. So ayos na to, hindi na to masama. Yan. Ano pa? Ang dami dito. Ito, I think ito hindi ko kilala to. Pero I think anong year to? Hindi ko alam. Binili lang to ko na lang to kasi ang cool kasi niya eh. Kailangan pala to ng stand, walang stand. So yan, binili ko. Ito, mayroon ako nito eh na nabenta na. So ayos din to, Nintendo NES Advantage. Mayroon ako nito. Nakabili akong ganito last month yata 'yon. Ano pa? Ito, may video games pa. So, hindi na masama. Itong mga to, maganda din to. Brake pad yata to. Yung mga brake pad. So kahit mabenta ko to mga $30 to $40, hindi na masama. Part kasi yan sa bundle deal eh. Ito, Trendnet. Ano kaya to? I-search nga natin to. Trendnet. Tingnan natin kung magkano to nabibenta. TEG S82G. S82G. Magkano to nabibenta? It's not bad. Okay lang. Ano natin? $8.50. $8.50. $5.99. I think i-donate ko na lang to. Hindi to worth it ibenta sa eBay. So i-donate na lang 'yan. Ano ito? I think ito score din to. Score to. I think pwede ko to mabenta mga $40 to $50. Right? Buong buo pa eh. Walang mga punit. Mga kuan lang, signs of wear. Pero punit wala. So ito maganda to. Score yan. And then ito remote, ako gustong ko talaga basta mga remote, lalo na mga old remotes binibenta kasi may nabenta nga akong remote mga 2-3 weeks ago, over $100 remote lang. Ito Sony RMT 501. Magkano kaya to? Ang init pa eh. Init dito. Wala. R video 8. Ito. Ay wala siyang comps. Ito. $6, $4, $5. Okay na. Hindi ko na to ibibenta kasi mura lang eh. Hindi ko na to ibibenta. Not worth it. And then ito yung maganda. I think mabibenta ko to. Ano nga to? Parang backup ba? Ang ganda nito. Backup APC. Backup NS1250. Kahit mabibenta ko to mga $40-50, masaya na ako. Hindi na masama to. Yan. And then ano pa? And then ito, marami dito pang ano. Ito mga brand new to eh. $20 brand new. Pang ano to? Ipapasa ko to sa inyo dyan. Brand new yan. Ito, puro to Zoo York. Ito, $44. Oh, brand new na shorts. Size 34. Brand new. So, ipapadala ko yan. Ipapasa ko yan sa inyo. Ito din, $44. Mga shorts, Zoo York shorts, brand new. So, sa inyo lahat yan. And then, I think mayroon dito mga ano, pang... Ito, i-research ko muna to. Ay, mga, I don't know if vintage tong mga Ralph Lauren na pants na to. Ang cool kasi ng, oh, plaid ba? So, if may anong tawag nito, market nito dito ko to ibibenta. Ang cool kasi ng ano, pati yung, ito, oh, para siyang, ano, vintage yata. I don't know if itong tag na to, vintage yata yung tag to na Ralph Lauren. But probably it is. So, i-research ko muna to kung dito ko to ibibenta or ipapasa ko sa inyo. Ito, may shorts pa, oh. Ang ganda. Ito, Jordan. At vintage to. Woohoo! Anong size to? Vintage Jordan. Boys para to, large. Pero ato, I think kasya to sa small, pang lalaki. I think vintage to. Ang ganda. Pwede yan pang lalaki small. And ito made in USA, plain lang. Plain na sweatshirt or polo shirt. I mean, sweatshirt or sweater. Made in USA. Pang ano to, ukay din yan. Ipapasa ko to sa inyo. Alright, so yun. Yun. And then ito, sinubmit ko na. Pina-legit check ko na. So, ang saya-saya ko kasi it came out as legit. So, hindi fake to. So, may list, may sold item. Ang sold items nito, exact na ito is $120 yata. Pero ang daming issue. So, and then ang ibang listings is over $300. So, kahit ilista ko to, kahit makakuha ko nito ng $250, less than $300, masaya na ako. So, yeah. So, yun yung mga na-pick up natin. Ito, score na score to. Maraming salamat ha. Mataas-taas na video to for a change. Because normally, yung mga videos natin mga 12 minutes lang, right? 12 to 15 minutes. So, hey, salamat sa inyo ha. Ingat kayo sa ulitin. Bye-bye.